Alright, so here's how to install games in Winux. This is all. Just go to Heroic, press play, install, and you can start the game. So easy. I'm playing Brotato. Let's start the game. Choose your most handsome egg there is. Choose the best gun. Shotgun is always the best, right? It's so simple. Even a monkey can do this. Just aim and shoot. You don't need expertise. All you need is walk in front of them and shoot them. That's it. If you're long-sightedness, then you will die. Okay? That's it. And I'm completed. Now, there is City of Brass, which doesn't work. So it could be heroic problem, or because this OS is new, that's why it doesn't work. Even behind the frame, it doesn't work. Let's try Steam, Fistful of Frags. This is a wild, wild west. Yeehaw! So here, we are going to use the classic cannonball. Which is almost equivalent to your rocket launcher, right? Now, this is how difficult it is to move this mobile unit, alright? This was a mobile unit in the olden days. Alright, Sonny, you guys in the future had it so simple. In my time, we need strong men, and we need to push for days to reach and shoot one small ball, while you can go in a day and shoot it. So now, let's see what's inside. The ghost of failure. Alright, so Dwarf Prologue. Let's try this. Okay, so this is an RPG game. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this RPG game, and you will just feel the gameplay on Winux Linux, and tell me in the end whether is this fun.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Long-term operating system because it is still a new operating system in Linux. It has a lot of bugs, and you should not use something that is new. You should wait until there are many versions and many testing. Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Gamer signing out.